Good morning, everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
Another day, another drivetrain.
Another
Let's
drive. Yeah, look at where we are right now. Back at Z Auto Service, we are gonna check out what the hell is going on with my car today, because I've been getting this drivetrain for the past, God knows, like, I don't know, 3 weeks. Ever since I did the diverter valve, I've thought everything is okay, and then next thing you know, I got the sound, and you all know how that goes, right? So we are in the back alley of Z Auto Service. Shop is literally so full that I couldn't park in front. Just do a basic diagnosis and see what's going on with the car. Nothing sounds out of place, nothing. There's no problems in my opinion, but I mean, who am I to tell? Hey, bro.
How are you, bro?
I'm good, man. How are you doing?
I'm good, bro.
Good. Hey, bro, I gotta check my drivetrain. It's insane. Few things that has been done so many times with this car. Plugging in the OBD device for diagnostic and changing the coolant. I think I've changed coolant like 7 times already in the past 4 months.
Is this bro B2B?
B2B,
Yeah.
you know, this is very dangerous if I explain to English.
Yeah, later after we stop recording, you can explain.
Yeah, B2B very hard.
This guy knows his stuff. This guy has explored Malaysia. Good luck.
Good luck.
Look at this ride height. I think if I get like maybe wider tires or wider rims, I can really fill up the gap and have perfect fitment. Maybe 19-inch rims. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. We now have 8% of the viewers who already have subscribed to the channel. So this is my message to the rest of the 91.4%. Subscribe to the channel, it's free. You're gonna enjoy the content, I promise. We have a lot more work to do. We are gonna do a lot of stupid stuff to this car. That, yeah. So subscribe to the channel. Grab yourself one of these. It's the AJ Drives B2B car shampoo.
The best salesman I've ever.
First link in the description. Yeah, thank you very much. A very soft sale. Done, bro. See you later. Thank you. Last time when the light come up, like I can feel something is wrong. This time is very normal. Like I drive to Genting like full, like as hard as I can, no light.
I know the problem.
No, you don't know the problem. There is no problem. Bro, he just said, oh, there's no problem. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. See you later.
You cannot drive your class car slowly now.
No, yeah, yes.
What?
Yes, he said he knows the problem. That means I cannot drive the car slowly. This time, the problem never come up when I'm driving fast. Bro, swear to God, last week we went to Genting. Bro, I left nothing, like everything that the engine had, I used it, bro. Like my foot was
Pedal to the metal.
nothing, right? 2 days, right now, coming here, bro, I was in traffic. Ding!
Yeah, seriously, like what kind of problems? Like air fluid, brake fluid?
Brake
like,
fluid, bro.
Crazy.
I need to check the
Lots
brake fluid, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If you're new to this channel, we have done everything related, like air related in this engine. This is a FTP charge pipe, FTP boost pipe. We changed the air intake, but I didn't go MST, but this is the stock air intake which was broken. We changed this. We changed the diverter valve. I will link to all of these videos down below so you can go ahead and watch it. And now I need to change the air mass sensor. So the last thing.
Last thing. No
Last
more.
thing.
No more. Done.
I think this is episode 7 of the last thing.
Yeah.
You know how Sutesh has that channel called One Last Mod?
Yeah.
You should have a channel called One Last Fix.
Yeah.
Yeah, One Last Fix. After this, we are gonna do a lot of cosmetic mods to this car. So I'm gonna do the I'm gonna wrap the whole car. I'm gonna you know, all of this. Before all of that, we gotta deal with the air mass filter, so air mass sensor. So let's go ahead and yes, and my blinker fluid. Nobody knows what's the problem with this car. Now he's just checking random cables. Maybe I need to wrap the car. That's the problem.
Yeah, it's the wrap.
The paint is a bit old and the car is unhappy. We have a engine cover oil leak. Oh. I had no idea that the engine cover has oil in it. All right, day 246 at Z Auto Service. We just came back here. Currently there is oil in the vacuum pump. Is it true? Vacuum line. We gotta change the vacuum pump. We gotta service the car. We gotta change the oil level sensor because I'm not getting accurate readings for my oil.
Drive until the lights come up.
Okay, we're gonna have a long. Last time I drove from KL to Kedah, I got light 4 times. From Kedah to KL, no lights.
Satria GTI nice.
Yeah, I want to buy this car.
Oh, you should buy a BMW.
No.
They're really nice cars.
No.
You know what you and this car together made me do? You guys made me buy this bike.
Hi.
Your fault. Because my car is at your shop all the time.
This one, how many cc?
250.
The engine looks so big.
Yeah, it's just, you know, that's very unhealthy, right? All right, everyone. So over here, my Sherry, my videographer, had just left. So me being who I am, I forgot to turn on the microphone. So here we go. Long story short, we took off the vacuum pump, took off some parts that I don't know about. We installed the new vacuum pump. We added some oil because it's a BMW. We measured the oil. My friend here was just telling me how good his experience with my car shampoos are. First link down below in the description. Look at his car, so cool. Make sure to check out the auto service in the description down below. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.